tonight we are going to be having bottle up. This one looks really good. The Trader Joe's, baby. Have you been to Trader Joe's before? Yeah. I think I've only been once. It's been a while. Losing my Trader Joe's virginity. We got the basic ginger shots that I see everyone take. I'm not good at taking shots. I can't open my throat. Can you?
No.
Are you good at that? Back in the day?
Not usually.
I'm scared.
Me too. So you have to drink the whole thing?
Yeah. I'm sure it doesn't.
It smells good.
Oh, really?
It's ginger. Coconut, coconut water, ginger, and lemon juices with added cayenne pepper.
Ew. Okay, whatever. Let's just try. Cheers.
Ooh, got a little kick.
Oh yeah, that cayenne, whatever.
Got a little kick.
Oh my god. That'll bring a tear to your eye. Hooey!
Woo!
It burns.
It's good though.
Yeah, it was good. It's just that pepper or whatever.
That kick.
Trader Joe's haul. First thing we got, I'm being a mom tonight and I'm gonna make chicken. We'll see how it goes. Acai bowl for breakfast. You don't have to be outside unless you want to present.
Gone bananas.
Say what it is. I did. Well, chocolate covered bananas. Same thing.
Chocolate covered bananas.
On the dessert wave, we got mochi, very good, and mango and cream bars. We love mango in this house. We got tamales. They're not as hot as us though. 2 things of salad because we're health queens. Hopefully we won't let them go bad before we finish it. Some yogurt. Blueberry almond milk. Blueberry lavender flavored almond beverage. I want to try that. That should be good. And then the last thing we got with dinner, I'm also going to be making something with sweet potatoes. I'm going to be a chef tonight. Why are you just frozen? And that's it. And that's it. On the menu tonight, we are going to be having chicken, sweet potato fries, mac and cheese, and then for dessert, we have some ice cream stuff. Let's get started. I'm not a good cook, so I think my mom may help me, but I don't know. Looking good. Come here.
What?
We are the PJ cooks, the PJ chefs. Show them your thing. Drink it. Chug, chug, chug.
Couldn't get it open.
Chug it, chug it, chug it. Take a swig. No, do it. Bottle up.
Tablespoon brown sugar.
Sorry.
Tablespoon. Brown sugar.
Tablespoon. Ew. Can it be a little bit over?
Yeah.
Perfect. Brown sugar.
1/2 teaspoon.
I get so overwhelmed reading that crap.
It's possible. It doesn't have to be perfect.
1. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano or thyme, parsley, or rosemary. Okay. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. You like my burps and hiccups?
Is that a half teaspoon?
No.
It's okay. Don't just leave it.
No.
It's okay.
Now it's gonna be bad.
No, it's not.
It's gonna taste like onions. I got distracted. Oops. Sorry.
Pepper.
This is why I don't cook. Let's not screw this up, Abby.
And those are just guidelines, you know.
A roll. 4 large chicken breasts and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Is this bowl big enough to put the breasts in? The breasts? Got my breasts pushed up. Gotta go meet Peter at the park.
Transfer chicken to the pan and toss chicken in the seasoning.
We need to add the oil, don't we?
The chickening first. The chicken. You would toss the chicken in the seasoning and then put it on the pan.
Huh?
Oh, wait a minute. What? I'm a little confused.
This is so overwhelming. I hate recipes. Rubbed anything. Never rubbed chicken before. This right here is my specialty. Sweet potato fries. These are my favorite. They look really good.
Especially this one.
Take a bite.
This one looks really good. Not bad, really.
Oh God. Alexa, announce dinner's ready. Dinner's ready!
Announcing.
Yeah, woo. Ooh, yeah. We did that. We did that. Dinner is done.
Dinner is dead.
Yeah. For dessert, the dessert portion.
Hey, you know your chicken. Okay, you don't force her against her will to eat on
I'm
her
almost
chicken?
21 years old. I can do what I want when it comes
No,
to
you
food.
can't.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm not eating that though. This is the mini mango mochi.
How's that one? We can make these. Just slice up bananas and I never understood.
Looks like a whale.
So it's you?
Yes.
I'll get you back for that.
I mean, this is me, the toothpick.
True. Tanner is a toothpick. The cream part.
It is good.
Who is this kid?
Who, me? Or you?
I'm not a kid anymore.
You're a minor.